Switchblades.tv presents available at assistedknife.com. Roadsideimports.com presents a flush mount button automatic push button knife. It's silver, has rubber inserts with a positive grip. The firing button is rectangular in shape and flush with the handle, so it has no accidental openings. It's stainless steel blade, removable pocket clip. Overall length is 8 inches and the blade length is 3 1/4. Available at assistedknife.com. Got questions? I got answers. Email me at jb@roadsideimports.com.